here to Technical. I'm back again with another video. So today I just wanted to show you that I have an Otterbox Symmetry case for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. I picked this case up off of Amazon, so I'll put a link in the description where you can pick this case up for yourself. So pretty much this is just the clear Otterbox Symmetry case from Otterbox, and we all know Otterbox makes good cases, so pretty much I'm just gonna place it on my device like so. The reason why I got this case is because I love the symmetry look and feel of Otterbox's cases. I wanted something that was tough and that could protect it, but I wanted something that will make my device still feel the same while it is in a case, and that's why I went the Symmetry line instead of going to the more heavy-duty line of Otterbox cases. But pretty much this is what it looks like on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and yes, they do make this exact same case for the newer line iPhones. And so pretty much you get a nice cutout for your power button. It's nice and clicky. Down here you do get nice cutouts for your USB charging port, speakers. You get this nice edges around there, a nice lip around the edges. It says Otterbox right there. Around here you do get nice access for your volume up and down button, and you also get nice little cutout for your alert slider. And I don't have nails and I can get in there comfortably. And on the back here you do have a nice cutout for your camera, so if you place your phone flat down on the table on the back, you should be good to go. And if you place your phone flat down on the face of it, you should be good to go, as long as you have a nice screen protector on there. No worries. But you do get a nice lip. Like I said, this is an Otterbox case, so if it drops, you're good to go. Overall, I do like the look and feel of this case. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.